there, what's in the diffuser today? Well, today I'm going to do a little bit of a different video about a different kind of diffuser. So this diffuser is called a dryer ball. And so what I use this for is making my clothes smell good. So, a lot of times we think, oh, it doesn't matter what kind of detergent we use because, it just washes our clothes. But the fact is that there are lots of chemicals in detergents, the store-bought detergents, that end up smelling, and we don't even realize it anymore. And we end up having this smell on us 24 hours a day because it's on our clothes, it's on our sheets, all that kind of thing. So you got to really pay attention to what you're smelling in your detergents for what you wash your clothes in. So what I do is I use natural detergent, Young Living's Thieves Cleaner detergent, but the dryer balls are really good. I know these have been a lot more popular. We haven't used fabric softener for years because I don't really believe in the smell of them. And I don't want to have that going in our lungs and things like that. So we use a dryer ball. But I've had kind of a hard time figuring out a good oil to put on it because I'll put lavender on and it doesn't really smell. I can't really smell some of the things that I've done. So I thought I would try geranium. Maybe I heard this somewhere. And geranium is a pretty strong oil. It doesn't smell bad or anything. It just keeps the smell really long. So I've been putting a couple drops on our one dryer ball, and along with the other ones, and especially for towels and things like that. And it smells really good, and it lasts for quite a few loads and that kind of thing. And I haven't had any of my guys complain that it smells flowery or anything. They complain when their towels smell so gross, but they don't complain about this at all, and it smells really good. It holds its smell well through several loads, so I don't have to keep remembering to put the oil on. So thought I would give you that tip because we are smelling things through our clothes, so it's kind of like a little mini diffuser. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you don't buy junk oils, that you only buy Young Living because they are the purest. I'm going to help your family. Let me know if you have any questions about that or anything else, and I hope you guys like this tip and have a great day. Take care.